Hello all, welcome to the Cloud DevOps Guru channel. Today we are going to discuss about the what is the DevOps. From today we will discuss the DevOps step by steps, all the tools. Okay, so first we will understand what is the DevOps. If you are the new on my channel, I have already started the Linux and shell scripting playlist in my channel. Please go and watch those videos first, because if you wanted to learn the DevOps, you need some basic idea about the Linux and shell scripting. So also I will request you, if you are the new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like my video, please like my video. Let's begin. First of all, we will understand what is the DevOps. DevOps is the nothing but the combination of the developer and DevOps engineer, or combination of the DevOps and IT operation team. Okay, these people are do the developer will develop the code and he push the code into the version control system. Then we will package that and we will deploy that package into the some environment, so that we will understand how is the workflow of our pipeline in the real world scenario. So let's begin that. As a DevOps engineer, as a DevOps engineer, our responsibility is responsibility is to ensure that application is deployed into the market quickly. This is the major responsibility of DevOps engineer. Because of this, we will automate our pipeline. Okay, our job is to ensure that pipelines are working fine. Second responsibility is that pipelines are working fine. We will ensure daily, so our pipelines are working or not. So we will check that, and if our pipelines are working, then our responsibility is completed. Now we will understand the workflow of our pipeline. So let's understand that using the diagram. First, developers will develop the code. So we will consider this as a developer. Okay. This is the developer. Developer develop the code and he push into the VCS. VCS is nothing but the version control system. Then we have to create the package of that functionality, right? Developer develop the functionality and he push that code into the VCS. Then we will make a package of that. We will build and we will package the code, right? Then after, we have the multiple environment for deploy and test that the code into the multiple environment. Like, first of all, we have the dev environment. Then we have the QA environment. Then after, we have the pre-prod, or we can call it as a UAT, or also we can call it as a staging environment. After once successful deployed and into the staging environment or pre-prod environment, then only we will deploy that code into the production environment. Okay, so first of all, we will understand the flow properly. First, developer will be develop the code. He push code into the version control system. Once code has pushed into the version control system, we will make a package of that code and we deploy that code into the develop environment. In the development environment, testers will do the system testing here. After system testing is successful, then we will move this code into the QA environment. So in the QA environment, the testers will be test as a performance testing here. How our application is performing, that testings are done in the QA environment. Once these testings are successfully done, then this code we will move into the pre-prod environment. In the pre-prod environment, we will run the user acceptance test. Once that is working fine, everything is working fine, then we will keep this code for few days for um, for testing. Means this environment is working properly, this feature if works properly, then only we will move that code into the production. This is the complete flow of the deployment of application into the live environment. Here, if we for this flow, we will automate that code using the some of the tools. So those tools we will understand here. For VCS, we will learn the Git. Here we will learn the Git. Okay. For the build and packaging, we will learn the Maven. Maven, or we will learn the how to build using the .NET. Okay. Then in that for creating the environments, we will learn the Terraform. For deploying the application, we will learn the Ansible in our DevOps journey. For if we are deploying the applications into the containerizations, we will learn Docker and Kubernetes. So for automate these all the things, we will learn the Jenkins. Okay. So if you are automated and if you are deploying the application till pre-prod environment, that we call the continuous delivery. For example, if you are deploying application automatically till pre-prod or staging environment, it is called continuous delivery. If you are configure the pipeline for deploy application till production environment, it is called continuous deployment. So in our DevOps journey, we will learn the tools. First, we will learn the Git as a version control system. Version control system or version control service. Okay. Then we will learn the Jenkins. Inside the Jenkins, for build and package, we will learn the Maven and MS build or .NET. Then we will learn the containerization technology like Docker. Then we will learn the Kubernetes. Once these are the finish, we will learn the Terraform, Packer and Terraform. Packer and Terraform for create the infrastructure and deploy the application. Once these all are the finish, we will learn the Ansible. So in this way, we will learn complete DevOps tools which are required for getting into the organizations, and we will understand some real world scenario, and also we will learn how to integrate these all the tools with the Jenkins, and we will see some sample projects after finishing the all the tools. So for today, that's it from my end. Just I wanted to make you understand what is the DevOps and what is the workflow and how we can deploy the applications into the production using the continuous integration and continuous deployment. So that's it from my end today. Thank you for watching this video. If you are the new, please do subscribe the channel.